Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can make cover songs on AI. So first of all you have to search for covers.ai in your search bar. I'll put the link in my description box so you can easily access it from there. I will press enter and then I will land on this site. You can see covers.ai. You can see there's this button of try it now. I will click this button. Here I can make my own AI cover song. I can pick a voice or pick a song and convert it into an AI song. Now click this try it now button and then you will land over here. You can choose or upload a song from your own gallery. If I click this option, you can see I have these two options: upload your file or create your own AI song. If I click it, I can upload my own file or I can create my own song. Now you can see here it brings me to this page where I can write my own song idea and then click the dice to generate it. So I'm going to cross this and come back. I will be choosing one from their own library. You can see I have these options. I'm going to choose the easiest one, that is happy birthday song, and then you can create your own AI voice. Here you can see that this option is paid and you have to get it for some dollars. So I will go back and select a voice from the given options. You can see there are many options that I can choose for my voice. For example, I choose Mr. Beast's voice for this, and then I have to enter my email over here in the email box and click check this box to confirm that it is going to be my song. Now for the email part, I'm going to tell you a trick. For that, you have to go to temp mail. Temp mail is basically a site that will generate a temporary mail for you that is disposable. You can see that it is loading a temporary email address for me and then I can copy it and use it. Now I will copy it and use it for my email box. After I've pasted it, I will click this button, let's go, and then it will start generating my AI song. And now it will take 5 minutes for the process and then send it to my mail and also give me an option of downloading it right here. I will come back once it's generated. Now you can see that this AI cover song is generated and we have an option of choosing the pitch. We can set it low, high and standard. Now you can see that I have options that if I select, it will be set accordingly. I hope you liked this process and this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you scroll a little bit down, you have this option of new cover or download. Here you can download it and save it into your computer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you very much.